The novel coronavirus infection has shaken the world. It has our full attention. Coronaviruses have crown-like projections made of proteins on their surfaces. Corona is a word for crown. Coronaviruses are enclosed in a projecting envelope, which contains RNA strands wrapped in a protein called capsid. A coronavirus, which is extremely small, 1/100th the size of a human cell, can enter the human body through the respiratory system. Once inside the body, the virus enters the cells of the respiratory system using its crown-like projections. It repeatedly invades other cells and proliferates dramatically. Then the battle between the virus and the immune cells begins. Since they far outnumber the immune cells, the virus cells are carried through the bloodstream to the lungs. And after a while, the entire lung is infected with the virus, causing pneumonia. At the same time, the coronavirus takes advantage of the respiratory system to move on. Spread of infection. When we sneeze, droplets are expelled a considerable distance and range. Smaller droplets tend to float in the air. Larger droplets fall and adhere to surfaces. These droplets contain the coronavirus and cause its spread. The coronavirus can survive on various surfaces for hours to days. When a person touches an object with coronavirus on it, the virus may be transferred to the person. The virus spreads via human activity. This is how outbreaks begin. Touching many objects every day, we can get the virus on our hands, then by touching our mouth or nose, introduce it into our bodies. However, certain substances can inhibit viruses in the air. One of them is hydroxyl radicals. Unfortunately, hydroxyl radicals normally survive only a short time in the air. Do we have a way to deal with this? Yes, we do. Nanoe X collects invisible moisture in the air and applies high voltage to it, generating huge volumes of hydroxyl radicals contained in water. Nanoe X are released and spread throughout the room by the airflow of a Panasonic air conditioner. Nanoe X particles are huge numbers of hydroxyl radicals contained in water. The water extends the lifespan of hydroxyl radicals. When Nanoe X reaches the virus, hydroxyl radicals inside the Nanoe X take away the hydrogen from the protein in the envelope and the virus is inhibited. This changes the hydroxyl radicals into stable water molecules. Nanoe X can survive about 10 minutes in the air and can fill the entire room. So Nanoe X is effective not only against airborne viruses, but also against viruses adhering to surfaces in the room. According to verification by a prestigious European testing organization, Nanoe X inhibited 99.99% of adhered novel coronavirus activity on gauze in a 45-liter box in 2 hours. So how about the real world? Let's see how Nanoe X is distributed from a Panasonic air conditioner into a room. The airflow of the air conditioner distributes Nanoe X throughout the room. You can see that the Nanoe X is reaching the doorknob in every part of the room. Can one air conditioner with Nanoe X fill a room? This simulation shows the results for a 54 cubic meter room of 4 meters by 5 meters by 2.7 meters. The bluer the color, the more effective the Nanoe X. It takes about 30 minutes to fill the room with Nanoe X. Panasonic offers a cleaner space with less risk to your loved ones. A new lifestyle with Nanoe X.
Panasonic. A better life, a better world.